So go ahead and log in to your MyEyedro account. In your MyEyedro account, you go to Configuration, then Devices, Add a device, select Eyedro, and then you type in the first 3 characters in the serial number, followed by the 5 characters after the dash. And then click Submit. This pop-up just shows the default settings for this device. So the default current sensor is 200 amps. In this case, there's 2 ports because it's a home system, and it's set for change of state. So just click Submit, and you can see that the device we just claimed is active and claimed on the MyEyedro account.